I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up stop loss on Interactive Broker's Easy Guide. Open Trader Workstation, select your position, right-click and choose Order Ticket to create a stop order. Set the stop price, choose quantity, and select route and time in force. Review estimated fills and order preview, then submit the order. Monitor order status in the Orders tab and adjust stop price as needed for risk control today. Understand stop types before placing orders. A stop market triggers market execution when hit, while a stop limit sets a limit price to avoid slippage. A trailing stop moves with price by a fixed amount or percent, protecting profits as positions run. Use stop limit for illiquid stocks and trailing stop for trending moves. Always match stop type to your trading time frame and risk tolerance, and review orders daily. Quick recommendation: if this video helps, please subscribe and like to support more practical trading guides. Droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, a handy companion at your desk or while monitoring positions. Check the description for the product link and other deals I mention. I appreciate your support, and it helps keep these tutorials coming. Also, hit the bell to get new uploads. Now let's get back to the video. Open an order ticket and pick the symbol, quantity, and action. Choose stop market or stop limit as needed, then enter your stop price, and if using stop limit, the limit price. Select time in force like GTC or day, choose route, and preview fees and fills. Double-check position sizing and risk per trade, then submit while watching the Orders tab for execution and confirmations to ensure the stop is active today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.